Okay, this is Flashback Quiz, second 9 weeks, week 5. Today is November the 29th. Okay, number 1. What is the one rule about solving inequalities that's different from solving equations? Remember that one rule. Remember the Macarena. And it's different from solving equations. Remember the Macarena that we learned, the inequality Macarena? What is that rule? What is that rule? A, use the distributive property to remove parentheses. B, use inverse operations in reverse order to isolate the variable. C, combine like terms when like terms are located on the same side of the inequality sign. D, when you multiply, divide by a negative number, flip the sign, flip the inequality sign. Okay? What's the one rule that's different? Number 2, which graph correctly shows the solution to 2y minus 12 is greater than negative 32? Okay, you need to look at your hard copy of the quiz right now. Look at the hard copy of the quiz, and you're going to see those graphs because Ms. Hyde had to draw them, and it's not on here. Okay, so look at the hard copy of the graph for this one. Okay. It says look at the hard copy of the quiz. Okay, so I gave you a hard copy for this reason. Look at that now for number 2 to answer this question. And we're looking for the one that correctly graphs this. 2y minus 12 is greater than negative 32. You're going to have to solve this first, though. So, okay, go ahead and solve this, graph, and then check, okay? Number 3, what is the solution to negative 3z plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 10. I want you to solve this for z. Solve this for z and give me the solution. Remember the rule for the inequalities. Z is less than or equal to 5. Z is greater than or equal to 5. Z is less than or equal to negative 5. Z is greater than or equal to negative 5. Okay, so solve for z and then tell me which one of these solutions. Use this real life situation for number 4 and 5. A person burns calorie after several minutes of exercising. What is the independent variable? Okay, remember the independent variable is something that does not change. Okay, it does not change. So a person burns calories after several minutes of exercising. What's the independent variable? A, number of people. B, number of calories burned. C, number of minutes. D, number of exercises. Independent variable. The thing is going to remain constant. Okay, it's going to be there regardless. 5, what is the dependent variable? Same thing here. A person burns calories after several minutes of exercising. What is the dependent variable? A, number of people. B, number of calories burned. C, number of minutes. D, number of exercises. Dependent variable. Okay? So number 4 was independent. 5, dependent. Number 6. Use this real life situation for number 6 and 7. The dollar value of a car based on how old the car is in years. Okay? And remember we went through and underlined the nouns to help us. So if you need to do that, please feel free to do so. What is the independent variable? Okay, so we look for the independent variable one more time for the dollar value of a car based on how old the car is in years. A, value of the car in dollars. B, number of cars sold. C, size of the car. D, age of car in years. Independent variable. Number 7, what is the dependent variable? A, value of car in dollars. B, number of cars sold. C, size of car. D, age of car in years. Again, we're looking for the dependent variable. Okay. Number 8, what type of transformation is shown on this coordinate plane? Look at this. Okay, here's the pre-image. Here's the new image. What type of transformation is shown? Is it a reflection? Is it translation? Is it rotation? Is it a dilation? Number 9, same thing. What type of transformation? Look. What type of transformation? Is it A, a reflection, B, a translation, D, rotation, D, dilation? What type of transformation is occurring here? Okay. And then number 10. Which figure represents triangle A after a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise? So here's figure A right here. And we're going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. 90 degrees clockwise. So which one represents that? Is it figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, or figure 4? 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, this resumes our test, our quiz, flashback quiz. If you got any questions, raise your hand. Thank you.